everyone. Today we are going to start with the first poem, A Time to Believe, Standard 8. I am going to explain you in English as well as in Hindi language so that you all get a clear note of the poem. So let's get started without wasting any time. To believe is to know that every day is a new beginning, which means that belief gives us hope. No matter what had happened to you yesterday, today is your new start. जिसका मतलब है कि हर दिन एक नई शुरुआत है और हमें एकदम कॉन्फिडेंस से आत्मविश्वास से आगे बढ़ते रहना चाहिए. Is to trust that miracles happen and dreams really do come true. Which means when we believe, we trust that miracles can happen and dreams can come true. हमें ये विश्वास रखना है कि चमत्कार हो सकते हैं और हमारे सपने तो अवश्य पूरे होंगे. To believe is to see angels dancing among the clouds. So this is an imaginary line. You all need to imagine कि ऐसा angels are dancing among the clouds, which is not possible, but you need to believe it. To know the wonder of a stardust sky and the wisdom of the man in the moon. So stardust means having a magical quality. Here, the poet says that believing is like seeing angels in the cloud and understanding the beauty of a stardust sky. ऐसा विश्वास रखो कि जैसे बादलों में एंजल्स देखें और तारे भरे आकाश उनकी सुंदरता को बढ़ा देते हैं. To believe is to know the value of a nurturing heart, the innocence of a child's eye, and the beauty of an aging hand. For it is through their teaching we learn to love. Like जब भी आप कोई बच्चे के आँख में देखोगे, उनकी आँखें कितनी प्यारी, मासूम भरी होती हैं. और आई गेस आप सबने देखा होगा, जो भी लोग ओल्ड हो जाते हैं उनकी हाथ एकदम एजिंग करती है, ठीक है. So, here the poet speaks about a nurturing heart, a child's innocent eye, and the beauty of an aging hand. Okay. This means belief help us to find what? Kindness and wisdom. Belief connect करता है human values को और relationships को. Which means बच्चे जो है हमें सच्चाई सिखाते हैं और बुजुर्ग हमें अनुभव और धैर्य रखना सिखाते हैं. To believe is to find the strength and courage that lies up within us when it is time to pick up the pieces and begin again. Here, the meaning of pick up the pieces means returning to normal state after a shockful or disaster thing. Like कभी आप कोई चीज़ नहीं जीतते हो, एकदम आप डिप्रेस हो जाते हो और उसके बाद आप एकदम आप ओवरकम करने के लिए यस अब तो मैं ओवरकम करके रहूँगा, तो कैसे यू पिक अप द पीसेस एंड यू रीस्टार्ट अगेन. तो उसका मतलब यही है इस लाइन में. ओके, सो belief help us to find strength and courage with ourselves. When it is time to pick up the pieces, this is the most important message the poem has given, like the poet has given you all. Failure is not the end, as everyone says, because belief gave us the power to restart. In short, अगर मुझे बोलना है तो विश्वास हमें साहस और धैर्य सिखाते हैं. To believe is to know that we are never alone, that life is a gift and this is a time to cherish it. Which means, here the poet says, life is a gift. As you all know, it is a gift only and we should cherish it. Belief make us feel supported. By whom? By God, by family, or by inner strength. And it also removes fear from you all. When we believe, we feel grateful and thankful for life. विश्वास हमें ये एहसास दिलाते हैं कि हम कभी भी अकेले नहीं हैं, जो कि सही बात है. हमारे पास हमारा परिवार है, मित्र है और ईश्वर है. So the last stanza of the poem is to believe is to know that wonderful surprises are just waiting to happen and all our hopes and dreams are within reach if only we believe. So in the last stanza, the poet says that wonderful surprises are waiting to happen and our dreams are within reach. Means we can reach our dreams if only we believe. Opportunities are all over around us. The The poem ends on a hopeful message that success and happiness are possible. It can be possible. It is possible. It is not. It is possible if only we believe. So the main central idea of the poem is to believe. Believe in yourself. Believe what you do. Okay. So it is written by P.J. Morbitzer. You can find the meaning of the words in the left side. Thank you all.